In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how I was able to recover back my Instagram account without paying anybody, any hacker, or contacting anybody. I'm going to be as detailed as much as possible, so stick around to the end of this video and do not skip any part, okay? Because every information matters in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways by which you can recover back your Instagram account, but before that, let me actually tell you what actually happened to my Instagram account. So I tried to log in back to my account, and then they told me that my Instagram account, they noticed some suspicious activity that I have to log in. So I had to put my login details back, and then I was asked to wait for 24 hours. 24 hours later, I got back, and then I discovered that my Instagram account has been disabled. They asked me to appeal, which I did, and I did that, and then I got a mail from Instagram. When I went through the mail, they asked me to take a picture of me holding a cardboard with my name and my username, my full name and my username. So I had to take that picture, making me to look as if I was a prisoner. So, which I did, and I waited for them to respond. There was no response. I waited for 2-3 days, no response. So I had to go check on YouTube to see if there was any better way to fix this. And then I bumped into many videos. They were saying that you need to send out the picture where I was holding the stuff multi times. I had to do that, but I tried at different times. It still did not work. So I had to go check on YouTube, and there was this guy I saw where he had to say that he contacted the Facebook support team, and he was having a page. So I had to say, okay, let me just try this stuff. I had to try to contact the Facebook support team, but too bad for me, I wasn't having that feature on my Facebook account. So, and the only way for me to get that feature was for me to run ads. So while I tried to run ads, I had to try to use my friend's Facebook page, which was actually a business page, and was actually running ads to contact the Facebook support team. I chat with the Facebook support team, and all they could say, due to COVID-19, they have to wait. They're reviewing my account, and I have to wait. I asked them, how long do I have to wait? It was like it wasn't the wait wasn't definitely like they don't have a specific date. I just have to wait. 2 weeks later, I got back and then text the same person again, text the Facebook support team, and it was also still the same result. I was still getting. They asked me to wait due to COVID-19. They can't actually respond to it for now, so I had to wait. I had to wait. I really got tired and frustrated, so I had to create a new account, which is what I also advise you guys to do. While you wait, you need to create a new account, okay? Just to while the wait time, because if your old account gets back, it also serves as a backup account to you, okay? It's gonna be beneficial to you. So while I was waiting, it got about 2 months, and I already created a new account to forget about the old account. So like last week Saturday, I had to try to like contact the Facebook team. Remember, I actually did an ads on my Facebook page so I could chat with the Facebook Live support team. Like I think you need to wait for a period of while after running the Facebook. I actually did an ad of $5 I think so I would be able to chat to the Facebook Live support team, which after a while I got the access to chat with the Facebook support team, and this was the message this was actually how it went. Just let me just show you what it was like.
Okay, so basically you can see my chat with this guy. He says his name is Ray and it's from Facebook concerning support blah blah blah. We'll be assisting you today, sincerely blah blah blah. Let me just keep that. Because I'm confirming, I know you want to sort out the rest assured a well necessary check on how to best proceed with the concern. To begin with, account ID blah 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 blah. That he asked me if that was my account ID. Then he actually said my IG ads got disabled, so he was like, okay, he was trying to fix it. Then I said no, but actually my Instagram account has been disabled for more than 2 months, and I had to appeal various means, but there was no response. So he was like, okay, I definitely understand blah blah blah. He said all this shit, and he said all this, and then may I ask for the IG handle. I had to tell him the username, and then he said, okay, that I should provide a screenshot of my new account, which I told you guys I created, and this was my new account. It happened just 1,300 followers. So then he said, thank you, definitely understand the importance of having an active Instagram and business blah blah blah. And then I think he said something about the account will be fixed in next 48 hours, I think so, something like that. I can't really see. You just have to go through this. Just say, you can see it was actually short here. It was just shot, and then within I think a few minutes he fixed the whole shit, and that was it.
So yeah, that was it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys how you could actually recover back Instagram account. Step 1. Okay, step 1 is the most various method, which we all know, is by sending the appeal. There are actually 2 or 3 kinds of appeal. The one where you have to send them a mail with your real name and those kind of stuff, and then where you have to reply you saying you need to take a picture with your 2 hands showing. And then the other one is when you have to submit a valid ID. I'm not sure of the third one, but if the third one is actually available, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description for you guys to sign up to that. And the second method by which you can also use in recovering your Instagram account, which I did and also worked for me and my brother's account, because I actually did that and it worked for both accounts. I actually got 2 accounts back in less than 4 days. The second method is by chatting with the Facebook Live support team. And I'm going to tell you guys that if you actually haven't been running ads on a Facebook page, you need to at least run ads. I need to wait, because I don't know if it's different in your country. I had to wait for at least 1 month plus. I wasn't actually checking the date though. I never knew when they actually let me get the feature to chat with the Facebook support team. But one thing I'm going to say is that you need to wait for at least a period of 1 month plus. Okay, maybe just run ads twice. Maybe you can run an ads of $3 and then the other time $2 ads. It's going to be beneficiary to you too. So, and you also get a feature to chat with the live support team. So this is how you chat with the live support team. This is let me take you to the process so you can see everything.
So basically, this is how you contact the Facebook live support chat. So go over to Google and then type out Facebook support chat or live support, whichever ways. They're also going to take you or live support. You can see it says Facebook Business Help Center, or you can also say the Facebook Business Help Center, anyone which you prefer. It also takes you there. So now you can click the support here, or you can just slide down. It's basically here and get started. I just want to know that I actually had to run ads for at least 2 months before Facebook will give you this live support. Like, you need to run an ad and then wait for at least, I think, almost 2 months before this feature comes out for you guys. So like, I had to run ads and I had to wait for about 2 months. So select the account which you want. So I'm gonna say I have a page, and just choose anyone which is like okay. It might look different on the side, but just choose any of the options, because that's actually the only way you can actually chat with them. And then phone numbers are there, and your emails will also be there. So let's just go. And I'm just gonna say my Instagram ads account was disabled, and they're gonna ask for file, but I'm not having any files, so just click on start chat. Okay, and then okay, now we're back here, and it says Rani has joined you. So this way you have to start talking to them. Okay, you have to start talking to the person, and you need to be as nice as possible to this person, because these are not actually but okay, these are actually humans, so they have feelings too. So don't go spicing them up with some anger. Like, I know you're all angry that your Instagram account has been disabled and some sort of thing. So, but you just have to be nice as possible to them. Okay, so that's all.
Okay guys, so that's all, and that was how I was able to get my Instagram account back. And mind you, things that you're not supposed to do, for those that are going to send the appeal form, send that only once. Okay, you don't need to continue spamming the Instagram email, because if they actually get your mail, they're actually trying to work on your account, and then you send them another mail, they're going to start afresh again from everything. And if eventually you open your account and they keep getting like those other mails are going to be like spam, and they might also deactivate your Instagram account again, or like disable your Instagram account again, because that's what most people are actually going through. Their Instagram account actually restored and then they get disabled again. Like, that's because you've sent multi-mails to them. So don't actually do that. Okay, and also this is how you can actually get your Instagram account back without paying anybody, any hacker, or contacting anybody. Okay, the only person that can help you get your account back is Instagram or Facebook. Okay, those are the only 2 people that are going to get your Instagram account back, because those are the only 2 people I actually contacted to get my Instagram account back, and I actually got that for free. Okay, I see many YouTubers say like you have to go DM this person, send a message to those working on Facebook, blah blah blah. All those are just fake. Okay, they're never ever going to respond to you. Okay, like, that's just a waste of time. The only ways you can do that is by sending them a mail, or you chat with the Facebook Live support team. Those are the 2 ways I can guarantee you guys that it's actually going to work for you. Okay, so also I know it's kind of frustrating, like you've been on a long waiting for the Facebook Live support team, like waiting for them to respond to you. But one thing I'm going to say is that you just have to keep on trying. Okay, once you send them the mail once, you just have to wait. If they don't respond to you, while you wait, you can also try the Facebook Live support team. That's the fastest way. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. If you also want to learn how to get more followers, more views, comments, and likes on active audience on Instagram, you can also check the link below this video for that. Okay, I'll leave in a link to that video that teaches you on how to grow your Instagram account, just like I did to my account, having over 13,000 followers on Instagram. And I was also able to grow my new account in less than 2 months to over 1,000 followers. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video. Hopefully I see you guys next time. Peace out.